Mackenzie.
Mackenzie?
Burroughs. It's been a while.
Hey, finally.
Yashize igihe.
Sergeant, huh?
How you holding up, Lenny?
What's going on?
Bimeze bite Lenny? Ibiki bijya mbere.
Yeah.
Kuki turi hano?
We got a call this morning about a
Mu
desk.
gitondo twahamagawe tubwirwa ko habaye igikorwa cyitesha agaciro. Tesha agaciro rihe? Sogokuru w'umwana, uyu ni papa wa David Burroughs, yazanye na Philip Mackenzie. Reka bino mbirebe. Baje hano barumirwa. Basanze imva y'umwuzukuru we bayicukuye. Iryo teshwa agaciro bavugaga irusororo. Hari amakuru avuga Yesu Kristo ninde wakora ibi? Ninde waza agacukura imva y'uruhinja y'umwana muto wapfuye? Ninde wabikoze nago turamumenya?
Well, that's my grandson.
Uriya n'umwuzukuru wanjye uri mu isanduku. None umurambo we nawe urimo. Umwana wa David Burroughs wari yarashyinguye nawe ukirimo.
And his crew said he saw a truck leaving the grounds early this morning.
Hari umuntu atubwiye ngo yabonye ikimodoka ngo Toyota y'umukara ya Tundra, ubwo ni Jado wari uyitwaye.
Lenny.
Yeah, hey, Mav.
Iyo modoka ndayizi. Urakoze. Turashize. Modoka yo mu bwoko bwa Tundra. Ese yaba ari David waje gucukura hano?
I don't think it was.
Ntago nkeka ko ari David. Hari undi nkeka. Rebe. Kumbe dore polisi yamaze kugera mu mihanda ya New York. Perimeter check.
No sign.
Nta kintu ndi kubona. Abashinzwe umutekano bamaze kuhagera, bamwe bigize nk'abakora imihanda, abandi bigize abagira gute.
He's been pretending to hail a cab for a half hour now.
Uriya mugore ahagaze hariya hafi igice cy'isaha yigize nk'aho ategereje imodoka.
Not to be critical of our civil service workers.
Bari abandi bigize nk'abakora mu muhanda bahamaze umwanya.
Organizing his back.
Uyu mugabo ameze nk'uri gutunganya impapuro z'amabahasha, amaze nk'igice cy'isaha nawe atunganya inyandiko.
Plan B.
Bara bose ni aba FBI.
He's the only lead.
Dukeneye plan B. Hilde niwe wenyine watugeza ku mwicanyi, cyangwa se tukamenya aho umwana wacu ari.
Try to draw her out. Call on a bomb threat or something.
Keretse tubonye nk'igisasu tukakinaga nko hakurya bakakirangariraho.
You can ask her all the same questions.
Wenda wo kagenda njye nkajya kumaza ibibazo byose, cyane kare nawe uhigwa njye ntahigwa.
They're after you too.
Nawe uri guhigwa muri kano kanya. Barakora iki? Urugo rwa Hilda bararwinjira mu gute?
Take my burner. I've got an idea.
Trooper, you good?
I am. You can count on me as the last line of defense, boss.
Rebe, boss, nta kintu turabona.
Hey, I need to talk to you about something later.
Well, let me guess.